Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you a new nail polish of the week color. I have pre-recorded this one before we went on our 4-week trip, so that is why I was still wearing that beautiful lilac-y purpley color of Madam Glam gel polish on my right hand, and the length of my nails is of course a little bit longer at the moment. But yeah, you just want to start off with clean nails. Make sure you have removed all of the previous nail polishes that you might have been wearing on forehand and just go in with a good layer of base coat. I am going in with a base coat by Essence. I've been using this one for a really long time now. I actually really like it. I think it is about €2, so it's really affordable as well, and I just really love the fact that it applies like a dream. It really protects my nails from staining, especially this time of year. Now I'm really wearing a lot of darker colors like black and all that jazz, but yeah, it's just a really nice base coat. But the color I'm going to share with you today is 84. My heart beats green right now. It is from the fall winter collection by Catrice Cosmetics. These polishes are about €3 to €3.60 in euros, which is also pretty affordable in my opinion. This color really is a color that I love to wear. I love to combine it with like dusty pink colors, as you might have seen in previous videos. I think it was in one of my how to use water decal videos that I also used. I don't know if it was this color, I think so, but I combined it with a beautiful dusty rose pink, and it's just really gorgeous. If you don't want like a full-on dark green manicure, just combine it with or some rose gold or a dusty pink or anything like that. But yeah, this color is beautifully opaque with the first layer already. You can always go in with a second thin layer if you want to, if you still have like some patches or anything like that, but as you can see, it just applies really nicely. I also really like the brush heads by Catrice Cosmetics. They are not too wide because I have quite narrow nails. Like, I do have a lot of length, but I don't have like the widest nails in the world, especially my pinky nail. If the brush is just too wide, too big, nail polishes will be on my cuticle, will get on the skin next to my nail. So yeah, I personally prefer like a medium brush, just like this one. It just really applies really nicely, and then again, practice does make perfect. So if you do have any polish on the skin or the cuticle, you can just remove it with a little brush and some nail polish remover or something like that, whatever has your personal preference. Don't expect your first application to always be perfect, because if you're just starting out, like I started out sometime like 16 years ago as well, so don't expect it to be perfect from the first application. Just have patience with yourself, practice, and just enjoy what you're doing. So yeah, that was just a little tip in between in this video, but just look at that color. I really love it so much. It is quite a dark color, but like regardless, I really like it. It is a beautiful army green color, perfect for fall as well as winter. You could use this polish for so many cute nail art designs as well. It has like a dark foresty green feel to it, so you can do some really cute like floral or leaf nail art with it as well. I think it just combines with a lot of different colors, and yeah, I pretty much love it. It is affordable, it's vegan, it's cruelty free. It even has some acai oil in here, so it's actually pretty good for the nails as well. It's not like a polish that you apply which makes your nails really dried out or brittle or anything like that. Like some polishes have really harsh chemicals in there. Catrice doesn't do any of that crazy stuff. They just use really nice ingredients which are safe to use. They're vegan, cruelty free, don't test on animals or anything like that. So yeah, that was just something I wanted to put out there. For a top coat, I'm using one which I got by H&M. I actually shared my H&M nail polish haul earlier this week with you guys, so if you're curious about that, do check out that video as well. I bought these polishes all myself actually. Like none of the nail polishes or base coats, top coats whatsoever in this video are sponsored or sent out to me. So yeah, just a little heads up about that. I do buy a lot of products myself as well because I'm just a big nail polish and nail art enthusiast. I love spending my money on that. And I also love sharing with you guys what I got, what I really like, what I recommend, regardless if I have bought it myself or if it's sponsored. But every item in this video is actually bought with my own money. So yeah. But I really love this top coat as well. It is a little bit more on the thicker side and it gives a beautiful shiny finish. I really like that. I think it's really gorgeous. You guys know me, I am a shiny top coat kind of girl. And yeah, if you are looking for somewhat of a decent priced affordable top coat, check out this one by H&M. I think it was like €5 or €6, but yeah, it's actually pretty neat. I didn't expect that from an H&M top coat or polish actually. But yeah, this was already my entire video. I am so in love with this Catrice color. I actually applied 2 layers in total just to make it like flawlessly opaque. The layers dry pretty quickly as well. I would suggest just to wait 5 minutes in between each layer. Also apply thin coats to actually shorten the dry time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this color, and as usual, I love you so much and I hope to see you in my next video.